Fast and simple natural makeup. No foundation needed. I caught a cold, red nose, dry skin, you know that vibe. It's me before and after, so let's start. First, I'm using the Lancome Triple Serum. It's a mix of gel, cream, and emulsion in one. A total time saver when you want to skip layering your skincare. It's super moisturizing, just look at that glow. One pump is enough. And don't do like me, but it's not a big deal. The best way to apply it to rub between your palms and then press it gently into the skin with the warm hands. The skin instantly becomes plump and hydrated. Eyebrows. Brush them out in the natural direction. Now for a little trick, use the same pencil as a lip liner. It gives the most beautiful natural looking contour. And then take your brow pencil and lightly fill in the gaps. Don't try to make them perfect. Nothing in natural is perfectly symmetrical, right? Just a few soft strokes and stop there. I know it's hard to stop in the right moment. Just try to focus, not to overdo your eyebrows. And let's finish with the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. For that mirror-like shine and the soft pink tint, even if you apply too much, it won't bleed or settle into lines. It just stays beautifully reflective. Next one, eyebrow gel. The gel holds everything perfectly. The wand is genius. It has two lengths of bristles, long and short, so you can really reach every hair and shape them perfectly. By the way, if you ever notice a white cast, it's best to apply the gel before foundation. Mascara. I'm using it just to add a bit of depth to my eyes. My lashes are quite pale, so this step really helps me. If your lashes already have more pigment, you can totally skip it. It's up to you, but mascara is such a great tool for subtly changing the shape of your eyes, even without using any eyeshadow. Also, I love that one because you can rinse it off with just warm water, especially great for sensitive eyes. And now I'm going with the Radiance Concealer because after having the flu, I want to cover some redness and those little blue veins around my eyes. They can really make you look more tired. See that glow? That's how we get that photoshopped skin effect, but in real life, I start by adding it to the inner corners of the eyes. Let it sit for a few seconds to dry down a bit, and then I apply it to the outer corners, around the nose, between the brows, on the chin, and around the lips. No fancy tools today, just a quick and simple makeup look that anyone can do. Warm the concealer between your fingertips first. The key is to apply very thin layer, not full coverage. If you touch your phone after this, it won't even leave a mark because we blend it so well that the skin absorbs it like skincare. Blend all the edges. What do you think? Are you more of a less is more person, or do you love a bit of full glam makeup? And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support of my blog and see you in the next one. Bye!